안녕하세요. Hi, this is KSTYLEyo. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between 무슨 and 어느. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Inyoung. I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So today I'm going to talk about 무슨 and 어느. This is a question that I get from students all the time. So I thought that it'd be useful to put out a video, just clear all the confusion. The first confusion that I like to talk about here is that 무슨 is which and 어느 is which. But I'm only gonna talk about 무슨 at this point. This is confusing in the sense that in English, oftentimes you use what for 무슨. For example, you can say, what movie do you want to see? Technically, it has to be, which movie do you want to see? Because which works as an adjective, which means that you need a noun after. Which movie do you want to see? But casually in English, people say, what movie do you want to see? In Korean, 무슨 has to be always like which means you need a noun after. So the example that I gave you, which movie do you want to see? In Korean, 무슨 영화 보고 싶어요? 무슨 영화 보고 싶어요? In this case, you has been omitted because I know that I'm talking to the person who I'm asking to. Another example, which language are you studying? 무슨 언어 공부해요? 무슨 언어 공부해요? 한국어요. Korean language. So this is the first confusion. And second point that I like to mention is the difference between 무슨 and 어느. Even though they're both interpreted as which, but they're used in different contexts. So first of all, 무슨 is used in a general sense, as in you can use more in a versatile situation. It could be which food do you like? 무슨 음식 좋아해요? Or which book do you read? 무슨 책 읽어요? But when you're using 어느, it has to be a little bit more specific, as in selecting out of a list. Let's say you went shopping with your friend and you had a hard time picking which clothes you like the most. So you're asking your friend, 어느 옷이 더 마음에 들어? 어느 옷이 더 마음에 들어? Which clothes do you like more? 어느 옷이 더 마음에 들어요? In this case, if you use 무슨 옷이 더 마음에 들어요, it could work, but at the same time, I would personally use 어느 because I'm selecting out of the list. So remember, when you're selecting something out of items, you're going to use 어느 more so. So let's say if I want to use the same example, 무슨 영화 보고 싶어요, right? I could use 어느 영화 보고 싶어요? So you have a movies in the list and you want to pick which one you like to watch. Basically, just to wrap up what I talked about here today, 무슨 and 어느, they both work as an adjective in a sense that they need noun after that. Even if it is interpreted as what in English, it has to be which in Korean. And second point I mentioned, 무슨 is more like general sense of which, and 어느 is more like selecting item out of a list, which. So hopefully this is clear for you guys. If you want to learn Korean faster, try to make as many examples as possible so that they're most likely to become your own. And also, if you leave it in the comment down below, I try to correct your grammar if I see any mistakes, and you can learn and as well as others can learn together. As always, thanks for watching. I see you guys next time. Bye bye.